Want to stay cool in extreme heat without doubling your power bill? Set your AC to this temperature. For extreme heat, set your AC to 25 degrees Celsius while at home to balance comfort and energy savings. Use cool mode for hot/dry days and dry mode for humid days. Boost efficiency by using ceiling fans, closing blinds, and keeping the temperature higher when away. Key AC settings and tips for extreme heat. Optimal temp, 25 to 26 degrees Celsius is ideal for savings. Setting it too low 20 degrees Celsius makes the unit work harder without significantly faster cooling. Best mode, cool mode, best for reducing indoor temperatures. Dry mode, best for reducing humidity and sticky weather, using less power. Eco mode, ideal for long-term, efficient operation. Sleep/night settings, set to 26 to 27 degrees Celsius or use sleep mode to save energy. Maintenance and usage, keep filters clean, and maintain a consistent temperature rather than constantly switching it off and on. Keep doors/windows closed and seal gaps to prevent cool air leakage. The 3-minute rule, wait 3 minutes before turning the AC back on to protect the compressor.